Hey guys, I'm Younes Regaieg, and I work as a ECM software engineer at Externalizing Solutions. Yeah, ECM software engineer, that's my title, but I like to define myself as the buzzing bee at order of the bee as well. You might find me lurking on RIC as YREG, or you might come across one of my tweets on Twitter.
And you guess the count.
Sorry?
Guess the count.
Okay. All right. So I will be talking today about externalizing document transformations in our Fresco. So documents, Office documents take a central role in any DMS. So you have to convert them to text to text files for research or to PDFs for previews, and the process can be really greedy in terms of performance, CPU and RAM as well. And if you are running Community Edition, you cannot scale when you ingest a lot of data. And if you run an Enterprise Edition and you have a clustered system, having more than one node in a cluster can be really expensive. So what if you can externalize this microservice into an external entity just to do the conversion and give you back the result? And that way you can loosen the load on a Fresco server and benefit from the result you wanted to have. And what if you can even scale that transformation using a load balancer and a form of servers behind to execute those transformation operations? Well, Docker actually makes that pretty easy and pretty easy to set up, and you can even add an extra layer for monitoring how things are going, and spin up extra containers in case you want to do so to speed up things a little bit more. You can even set up some alerts or stuff like that whenever you feel necessary. So we also, our efforts, we created an Fresco module package with this extra transformer. It's available open source on that URL, so feel free to fork it, build it, test it, and contribute back. In that page, you will find the set of add-on configurable items along with the default configuration, and you can really spin it up pretty fast. We did also open source our image setup for the JOT converter web service. So it's basically downloading the file from source 4, building the image, and adding some extra Microsoft fonts so that you have better transformations of the Office documents coming from Microsoft Office. And your Docker Compose file should look something like this. So it needs to have a configuration entry for specifying which endpoint will provide the transforming capabilities. Well, we still have a to-do list on our plate, so we can definitely do a little bit better with this, as maybe use a more up-to-date version of the JOT converter service, because the one we used had the last commit back in 2010 or so, and there is definitely more recent or more active works, or maybe add support for extra extensions and MIME types which are not supported now. Yeah.